Good evening. Not very many of you were able to join me on Zoom tonight, so I thought I would go through the modules just to make sure everyone was up to speed. If we start with the week 2 objectives, you need to make sure that you're turning in the carbon footprint, quiz 1 after the reading and the video, and the electronic summary of one article. Read what we need to do about the qualitative interview and your topical journal. Lots going on, and we're kind of adding new things each week. So let's go ahead and go through the module. The first thing that I added was this qualitative interview. I'd like you to interview somebody that you might want to have a career in that area. Something to do with agriculture, something that you don't know a lot about. The timeline is you will have an interview subject and a topic identified by October 6th. Questions by October 13th, and the interview completed by November 3rd, followed by a write-up on November 10th. And I've listed all the documentation here that you will need. At the end of this, it will be a 4 to 5 page document. Notice that it is 300 points. I'd like you to spend some time on this project. If you are looking for somebody to interview, please let me know if this isn't working out for you. I do want this to be a face-to-face interview. I do not want this to be a phone interview for you. The next assignment that I've given you is I've also included on a YouTube video the book. This is part 1 of Jared Diamond's. If you look through this or listen to this, it will make the book a lot clearer because as the book starts, it's a little bit dry. I've added this just to help you get through the book. Once you finish reading the book, you will start with lecture number 2, The History of Agriculture Development. And as you look at this, you can see this is a live link. So please make sure you're downloading the PowerPoint and watching it and using the links appropriately. As you look at the next assignment, it will be a quiz having to do with the lecture and having to do with you reading the book. A carbon footprint is also going to be due. Below is a link to the free carbon footprint calculator. It takes a few minutes. You will do the survey and then print out your results, scan, take a picture, and then send them back to me so that I can make sure you get credit for this assignment. Very interesting. I'm excited to see what your footprint looks like. The next one is the one that's going to take you a little bit of time. This is our topical journal summary. This is what one should look like. This one is going to be 10 points, but you will need 50 of these. So you're going to choose 5 topic areas, and you're going to find 10 articles within that topic area. For example, you might choose water, you might choose labor, you might choose economics, you might choose regulation. Make sure you choose something that you're interested in. If you decide that you don't know what I'm talking about when I say topical journal, please go back to module number 1 and you will find the write-up on the topical journal listed here for you. I put it at the very end of week 1. Please make sure you go back and look at that. This week you just need to turn in one summary, but my suggestion is you make sure you start on this because as you know, this is a 500-point assignment. I really don't want you to miss any points. End of week 2. The objectives I have for you is what is the importance of California agriculture? What are some of the water issues? What does your carbon footprint look like? And what is the population of the United States? I look forward to any questions that you might have. And again, encourage all of you to join the Zoom conference. I only saw 3 of you tonight, so please make sure that you're working hard on this class. Thank you.